Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over this Klarpul Cordless Vacuum review. So I do want to thank Klarpul for actually gifting this to me. So essentially why we wanted another cordless vacuum was because our other one broke. So that's the first reason. The second reason is that we have two dogs, and with our two dogs, they do shed quite a bit. And with it, even though we have an automatic robot cleaner, this does come in handy for getting like those spot cleans, like let's say those corners. So that's where the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum comes in, and I do want to thank the company for actually gifting this to me. Now, I've used my fair share of vacuums before. This one is extremely lightweight. I would say it's definitely less than like 5 pounds. And with that, or it feels lighter than 5 pounds in my opinion, it's able to stand up upright. And the reason why I appreciate this so much is because other vacuums that I've used before, I had to wall mount it onto the wall. And over time, that wall mount just becomes loose. The more you take it off, the more you pull it off, the more you take it off, it just becomes loose over time. But with the Klarpul Cordless Vacuum, it is able to stand up by itself. It includes 2 batteries. So with those 2 batteries, you just attach it onto here. It's rechargeable, so the battery just plugs into this hole right over here. And then with the Klarpul vacuum, you just turn it on and it just works just like that. So you can see my dog is just getting used to it too. But it rolls very smoothly. It picks up all the pet hair, it swivels into corners, and it also has like this LED light, which is pretty neat. So once you're done, you could basically just detach it, and you can see all the dirt that we've gotten. We've got a bunch of pet hair, a bunch of little debris, and this easily just empties out. Now, I do want to go over the nozzles that are included with it. So you have the main component of the vacuum, which is the wheeled swivel. And this part here, it is retractable. So this is useful. I mean, when I first got it, I thought it was pretty short, but I'm glad that it does retract and extend. It includes 2 other different nozzles too. So these 2 here are ones that you can use for corners. And this is what you can use, in my opinion, for like a couch or cushion. Now, it does include a second battery, and each battery lasts about an hour long. So when one battery runs out, you can replace it and continue to vacuum if vacuuming is going to take that long for you. So 2 battery packs, which I really appreciate. I know that my other vacuum, it used to run out of battery really fast, even though I wasn't finished cleaning up the whole house. But you can see here, it does have a washable filter as well, which is included. So for these components here, it does include a wall mount, but I don't plan on mounting it to the wall just because over time it tends to get loose. But this is the filter, and the filter is washable. So I'd say my favorite things after having used this vacuum so far is number 1, I really do appreciate that it stands up. Number 2, it is able to pick up pet hair. So inside of here, there is a ton of pet hair already. I know that with other vacuums that I've used before, it has trouble actually picking up pet hair. And then just having the 2 different adjustment brushes, one for corners, which is this one here. This works fantastic. And then I have this one here, but I know that other vacuums tend to have this type of brush as well. I don't really use this all too often, but it serves as a bristle brush and then also a hard brush as well. But for me, in my case in use, I absolutely love it because number 1, it's able to pick up pet hair. Number 2, it's extremely lightweight, okay? So with my wife using this vacuum, I won't have to worry about it being too heavy for her. Number 3, the fact that it includes 2 batteries and each battery lasts for more than an hour means that I'll be able to vacuum my entire house without running out of battery. And I'd say overall, it's just a really nice lightweight vacuum. So with that being said, I've had no problems with it whatsoever. This is going to be my primary vacuum moving on. And also, I just really love how it's able to stand up like this. Like, I can't tell you how many times that I have to lean my other vacuum against the wall and it ends up tipping over as I'm actually doing something else. But if you're looking for a good vacuum, I'd say definitely check it out. You won't know what it's like until you check it out. But yeah, let me know if you have any comments. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.